Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so you never miss our easy and clear tech updates. Today we have some exciting AI news from around the globe and India. From life-saving health AI tools to huge AI investments, new tech launches and how AI is impacting jobs and cybersecurity. Each and everything is explained simply. Let's get started. First news, Northeastern University researchers have built a smart AI called Seg Fusion that can detect melanoma, which is the most serious skin cancer, with over 99% accuracy. It uses two AI models, one to spot unusual skin areas and the other to analyze whether those spots are cancerous or not. This helps doctors catch melanoma early when it's easier to treat and can save lives. They are working on making it an app for dermatologists so they can get quick help during checkups. Plus, this AI could also be used to detect other cancers in the future. Second news, AI related investments and spending on data centers are skyrocketing, with trillions of dollars expected in just a few years. But experts, including OpenAI CEO, warn this may be an investment bubble like the dot-com crash. Many companies might not make enough money to pay off these huge costs, which could lead to economic trouble and job losses. So, smart regulation and careful investments are needed to avoid a big crash. Third news, Alibaba just launched Qn3 Max, a massive AI model with over 1 trillion parameters, making it one of the most powerful AI systems so far. It can handle complex tasks like coding and language understanding and competes with top AI models from companies like OpenAI and Google. Alibaba offers access mainly via its cloud platform. Fourth news, a recent study shows AI has not caused massive job losses in the US yet. Instead, AI tools help workers complete tasks faster and better. The full impact on employment is likely to take more time and may vary by region and industry. Fifth news, Microsoft expanded its AI assistant tools in Office 365 by including AI models from Anthropic alongside OpenAI's versions. This means users have more model options and can choose the AI assistant that best fits their needs for writing, research, or compliance, making work smarter and more efficient. Sixth news, OpenAI has recently hit a $500 billion valuation after a major stock sale. Its user base and revenue have grown rapidly, but it continues to invest heavily in AI research, computing power, and infrastructure to stay ahead in innovation. Seventh news, Google announced that Gemini AI will soon be embedded in the Chrome browser, making browsing smarter. Eighth news, cybersecurity took center stage at the Indian Mobile Congress 2025. Experts highlighted that with the rapid rise of AI and 5G, cyber attacks are becoming more sophisticated than ever. IT Minister Ashwini Vaishnav stressed the need for building a trusted digital ecosystem with stronger cyber resilience. At the event, companies like Jio, Airtel, Vodafone, Idea, and global tech players showcased AI driven threat detection and quantum safe encryption solutions. IMC 2025 made one thing clear, the future of digital India will only be secure if AI and cybersecurity move forward together. Ninth news, Aratai is a homegrown Indian messaging app that has quickly gained users by offering features focused on privacy and customization for Indian users. It is becoming a strong competitor to WhatsApp by addressing local needs like regional language, better data security, and a more Indian friendly experience. As data privacy becomes more important to users, Aratai is emerging as a preferred app for people looking for alternatives to larger global platforms, helping India's domestic tech ecosystem grow. Last news, Perplexity, an Indian AI startup, has made its founder the youngest billionaire in the country. The startup specializes in AI powered search and knowledge tools that provide smarter ways to find and organize information. This success shows the strength and potential of India's AI entrepreneurship, with innovative companies making a global impact while creating wealth and driving the tech ecosystem forward. That's it for today's AI news roundup. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more simple tech updates from around the world. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. That's it for today's AI news roundup. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more simple tech updates from around the world. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.